Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. So while browsing on the Google Chrome browser and you encounter the error code 403, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Best match Google Chrome, simply click on that. Now here in the Google Chrome browser, you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. Simply click on that. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Scroll down and you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. Then here you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be basic or advanced, so you have to choose the advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history, check that. Download history, check that. Cookies and other site data, check that. Cached images and files, check that. Site settings, check that. Hosted app data, check that. But do not check passwords and other sign-in data and also the autofill form data. Finally, click on delete data. Then close out of here. Next method, in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here you need to locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click, then you have to select Properties. Now here in the Properties window, you need to scroll down and look for the Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure that this is disabled. Again, make sure that the IPv6 is disabled or you should not check this box. And then scroll up and you'll find Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Now here in the Properties window, you have this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is one of the greatest DNS. Now for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then close this windows. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, type this command, ipconfig space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter. Next command, natsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. Successfully reset the WinSec catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.